Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set maps preferred type of travel to driving, walking, transit or cycling on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on maps. In here, go down to the preferred type of travel section and you can choose driving, walking, transit or cycling, and so that when available this transportation type will be used to get directions and to estimate your travel time. So if you are driving most of the time, then you want to choose driving as a preferred type of travel. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.